Today we will learn how to create red color animation background. Let's go to the timeline and get started. First, we will take a black video layer. Then go to effect and search for the ramp effect. Drag and drop it into the black video layer. Next, go to the effect control and change both the start color and end color to red. After that, search for the grid in the effect panel and apply it into the video layer as well. Then in effect controls, set the blending mode to normal and adjust the opacity to 60%. We can change the grid color if you want for demonstration. I am using blue and yellow, but I am changing it back to white later. Then search for turbulent display in the effect and apply it into the layer. In effect controls, set the amount to 15s and set the scale to 15. To add animation, enable the keyframe for the size. Move forward a bit, then change the size to 35. This will animate the video together. Next, I'll add a texture picture. Place it above the video layer. Then go to Effect Controls. Set the blending mode to linear lights and lower the opacity. Now, when I play the video, you will see a red animation background. For more video tutorial like this, click out our others video on the channel. Thanks for staying with us.